5 years warranty on the compressor, and a water dispenser outlet on the outside. 2-star energy rating, more stars, more savings. A silver sleek design is one of the cool features that this fridge has. Inakaa hivi ni 176 liters. Chiki vile tu kameiva. Chiki tu vile kamejibeba on the inside. It has a very wide compartment setting on the inside. This is the water dispenser compartment, 2 liters capacity. This is the chiller zone. Hapa unaweza store nyama yako, kakuku, kambuzi, goat meat, hiyo yote uweke hapa ndani, smoky sausages, store them in this chiller zone. Again, iko na haka ka place kadogo hapa ka tray. Pia you can place anything here. Guys, na imagine hii ukiwa na only 35,000 Kenyan shillings. Unaenda nayo nyumbani plus a free guard. You can shop it on our website. You go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke. Ama unaweza kuja hapa kwetu, tuko located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.